Hey, Elise.
Hi!
Where are we today?
Today is Saturday. We are now at MGM.
That's right.
Yeah. Why we are here today? Can you
Huh?
tell everyone that?
Yeah, we're going to pick up a battery for my GoPro that they fixed for me. So we're gonna do that.
This surface is pretty well, huh?
Yeah. And I figured at the same time we get a chance to show everyone the inside of the new MGM in Cotai. Well, it's not new. I think it's probably 2 years old now.
Go to the wrong way.
No.
This one.
Oh, you're right.
You're too excited.
Okay, I got my my batteries. These are the batteries for the GoPro Max. The old ones were getting fat, and I was worried they were going to explode. So I brought them here, and they sent them to go get new ones for me.
They
So that's great.
Like the battery to do some work on.
That's right. So I was just telling Elise, this might be one of the nicest Starbucks that I have ever seen, and she disagreed. She said the Starbucks at Wynn Palace that no longer exists was the nicest. So I'll check it out. So it's quite big. So behind me is the entrance to the casino, which we can't record, and because there's no recording of the inside of the casino. But yeah, this is sort of, it's not the main attraction, but there's a lot of restaurants here. Over on that side, as I showed earlier, as I walked by, there's a little cake shop. But it's really cool the way they did this sort of, I'm not sure what you call this. Is it an atrium, or you know how they sort of designed this look? You can see the tower up there, and the gold and red and blue, and then you got some more restaurants over there. So yep, that's just a quick video. Should we go inside the pastry shop?
Yeah, sure.
Come on, let's go check it out. Oh, look, let me show everyone. So inside of here, I forgot that this was even here, but we have some giraffes on our left. And then in case you want to pick up a Lamborghini, here's a white one. And there's a blue one in the background over there.
So I was thinking about here is Tesla.
No, this is the Lamborghini shop.
So we just got this car from
How do you get it out of here is the question. Sorry, I'm all over the place today. Do not touch. I was expecting the front on this side, but I guess not. Only the butt. only the butt. So don't like gold too much, you'll end up like this guy. Oh, look, they have little donuts. I hadn't seen that before. How does this work? Hi. How does this work? You pick, how many can you pick? Or
this one is 238 per person. It's a buffet style.
oh,
yeah.
Oh, it's a buffet
Yeah, it's
style.
including one drinks already.
Okay, all right.
So
I
basically
see.
you need to choose from here, and then we are going to serve it on the
Ah, I understand. Great, thank you. So if I wanted to just buy a donut, that's not possible, right? I gotta buy it over there.
It's not possible.
That's okay. It looked really yummy.
Basically, these cakes we're having the retail version in the counter.
Oh, okay.
So this one basically only for the buffet, the small portion.
Yeah,
I gotcha.
This cake is really good.
It looks good. It all looks really good. But those little donuts looked.
Yeah, it's actually a new one today. Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah,
They look
it's a
so
new one.
good. Well, that's a quick overview of the MGM. Elise looks like she's still checking out those cakes. Are you hungry, Elise?
The food, but
Yeah.
they are so beautiful.
Yeah.
Not so yummy, just have a look.
All right, say goodbye.
Bye.
Oh, should we show everyone the main lobby?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Don't say bye yet then. Let's show everyone the main lobby here. You got the very nice crystal. They look like fish, but they're not really fish. And then you got the lobby. All right, bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Elise.
Bye bye.
See you next time.